Hello, my name is Jack Supko, and I will be doing my presentation on the International Geoscience Program, also known as shortened IGCP. I am a senior in college, and I am graduating this May, and I chose to do this topic to broaden my horizons on earthquake mitigation. Though not just pertain to earthquakes, IGCP pertains to all natural disasters. And natural disasters are often overlooked by the general public until they happen. It is important to fund these mitigation programs and efforts. As more innovative technology advancements develop through the future, it will help save lives and cut costs for rebuilding infrastructure. Global sustainability is important to fund and grant money towards. Even though people have different political views, protecting Earth should be a top priority. Climate change poses a big risk to human life, and the warming of the Earth can greatly diminish food sources and drinking water. So, continuous education and research will help humans adapt to the environment in which we live in. The International Geoscience Program is an organization branch under UNESCO. UNESCO is the umbrella for IGCP. Since established in 1972, the organization has conjoined scientists worldwide to help better understand how geohazards work. The organization all promotes sustainable development and encourages the use of safe scientific practices, such as mining. Scientists partnered in many countries to extract minerals from Earth to study how earthquakes, volcanoes, avalanches, and even tsunamis arise. The IGCP is a flagship entity of UNESCO. By studying different ore deposits and mineral domains, geoscientists are trying to predict earthquakes by looking how much fluid holds in these rocks. This organization can mitigate the loss of lives dramatically if they can accurately predict an impending earthquake. Contribution to global governance. One of the many ways IGCP has helped participate in global governance is through showing support for the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. Many of these goals focus on the upkeep of clean water, life on Earth, and the researching of climate change. Furthermore, IGCP has contributed to geological research networks and collaborated with panels that help scientists have breakthrough discoveries. With the recent Turkey earthquake casualties, it is imperative to keep up the diligence on this issue. The extraction of raw materials is a necessity for humankind to prosper. However, mining operations have been directly linked to environmental disasters. Earthquakes have been triggered by heavy mining equipment disrupting the seismic waves inside the Earth.
Peace building. Peace building is also a major aspect when it comes to building a more sustainable Earth. IGCP realizes this and collaborates through issues of living standards. It is very imperative that collaborations respect other cultures when trying to keep peace. Helping other countries out with natural disasters is an excellent way to show support of one another in a time of disparity and need to keep peace at bay. Technological advancements. As with everything ever changing and stuff developing, advancements have helped extract minerals more safely. The biggest challenge is continuing to invent new ways of developing safe mining extracting. For example, one of these projects that the IGCP focuses on is the removal of sandstone and uranium deposits. There are different types of sandstone mining. However, some companies revert to the use of hazardous materials and chemicals to separate the uranium from the sandstone. This poses an environmental risk to society as these chemicals are seeping into our oceans and soils and contaminating our drinking water for livestock and humans. My sources